Hi guys, let's make this hair fryer crispy chicken. Amazing and delicious. Easy to make, just simple. Only within 30 minutes you will have this amazing chicken over here. Crispy, delicious, full of flavor and amazing. And it's just simple to do. What we are doing here, washing the chicken very well because you need to wash it very, very well. I'm washing it with the salt. I'm going to be using the salt to wash it with, but you have the lemon, you could wash with the lemon. But I didn't have the lemon, I have only the salt, so I decided to wash it with salt and I go with this one. I like this pink salt because it's much easy and nice to use, and rumors say it's the original salt, so I don't know which one is what, but all I know, this salt's too far, it's delicious. I wash, and when it's done washing, my chicken has become so clean and good to go. All I do, just try to drain the water a little bit and prepare my seasoning on the other side so that I can go ahead and use it for the chicken, to seasoning it. And today we're going with the basic chicken recipe. That is a chicken recipe, but the rest is just a basic recipe. Herb with some spices. If you want, just let me know. I will be sure to mention them in the description box, so you can check there and you will be able to get these spices exactly, and you can use them. All I can say, the chicken turned out so good and it was amazing. It was a very delicious chicken actually. I wasn't even expecting that, but it came out so good, knowing that it was my first time using hair fryer. Like you guys know, this channel here we make traditional food and we cook more like Dinka food, yeah, or Sudanese food. But today I decided a little bit to go extra mile to learn Western food because my kid do like to eat Western food, and they were asking me, "Mom, can you buy us air fryer?" And I say, "Okay." I bought it, and I didn't know how to use it. Actually, my kid taught me to use it, and so far it's been so good, and I like it. Actually, it's a way for me to bond my children because when I don't know something, they surely know something. And when I'm struggling to understand something, they will just step in and say, "Mommy, do this and do that." And when I bring it home for the first time, my older son came and they open it with him and his brother. They open it, and then they just read into the instruction right away. And we tested it with a fry, and it works so amazing. I went in with a double air fryer so I can use, especially during the morning hours when the kid go to school. You can prepare two things on the other side. And let's talk. Leave that on. Let's get into the chicken. When you're done seasoning your chicken, all I did went in with a bit of flour actually to give it that more crispy later, because we all know that flour when mixed with chicken and it's a bit soft, when it's cooked, it could give the flavor, and that's why I put all-purpose flour so it can give me the crispiness I need in the chicken. And I did sprinkle as a bit of salt. No, I mean I sprinkled a bit of oil to give it that softness look. Later on, we all know that chicken can generate its own fat, but I decided to put a bit of salt to fuse it with the chicken fat, so it can be perfect. So don't mind my English. Just follow the step and just follow the recipe. If you're unable to get me well, you can just check in the description box. You will be able to make it easy to make within 30 minutes. I did make a mistake by putting it 50 minutes, but unfortunately the thing just cooked within 30 minutes. So that's why I stopped at 30 when you see, because I knew that 30 was the perfect one. But you're going with the menu, this one for 5 minutes, 42 minutes, and 350 F. That is the temperature. But I went a bit aboard to make it quick because like I said, I wasn't the right to cook. I was going to work. We all know we have some job, and this is just like this is more like a side job for me. But I have a 9 to 5 job, so I was making it fast so I can cut it some to work to for me to enjoy later. And that is the chicken, guys. It turned out so good and amazing. If you're watching me for the first time, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment what was your favorite part, and will you try it. You do Let me know in the comment section where you're watching from. I would love to make this one more time with the turkey leg, not chicken wing, but a turkey leg. But I was happy so far. The result came out so good, and the chicken was so amazing. And I just want to thank you guys. Without you guys, this thing would not be happening. And I appreciate you in the bottom of my heart. If you like, you can check some video up here. You want to support the channel a bit more further. There's video will be linked there. You can see. See you and enjoy the chicken. See you on the next video.